Hey, we're going to look at the HP Pavilion. Let's see which one it is and overclock it. It is the 5600G CPU processor and then the RX 5500 Radeon. So that's what we're going to overclock. This is what you get on Amazon. I have a link in the description below if you need it. And then here's the HP one. This is a slower processor. You can pick out your own processor if you want. But I just bought mine off of Facebook. If you want to use Facebook, or use the link in the description below. And let's see. Let's see how to overclock it. Those are the links. So right click, Radeon Software. It's easy. So it's already tuned for you. The program's already installed for you from AMD, so here it is. So let's see, the home, when you open it up, this is the home. The game I mostly play is Apex, and that's a frame rate. Average right there, and then here is the games you could pick. Let's see, and then the metrics. Okay, the tune it is here. This is global if you want to tune the whole thing, okay? Every single game. But I have Apex too, so I just tuned that. I don't really want Windows running on graphics card running really high because there's no need. Let's see. Here is how to overclock just the processor on the graphics card. Here's a VRAM. So what you can do is, let's see, overclock it right here. It tells you warning, it could cause you to crash and reboot and stuff. Tuning will be lost. It's recommended that you save your works and stuff. So yeah, proceed. And it'll overclock for you. This is what it recommended, okay? So right here, I put it down right here. It's 920. So might as well just like have it look for you for what it is, unless you want to tune it yourself. I don't have time for that. And then you could VRAM overclock it too. Okay, read it up. And then I'll overclock it for you. And it says 860, okay? And I also put it up here, 860, okay? VRAM. That's done. I don't know why you can only tune one or the other, okay? So that's really weird. Or you could also underclock it. Let's see, underclocking it. It volts it for you to save power if you don't want to use that much power. Okay? And then you could also manual tune it. This is global. So if you want to pick a game, but this is global. So when you go to global, you click GPU, not overclock, you overclock it. You also have to apply changes in the corner if you want. Okay, let's see. That, advanced controls, yes, and here it is. Okay, then fine tune. This is the setting it'll be at, like 1, 2, and 3, when it's like not running normal games that need some graphics, and then super high graphics like that. So it's at 870. So what we recommended was 920. Okay. So before we do this card. Okay. No default. Everything default. Okay. And I have Geekbench. I'm just gonna run it. Open GL. Let's see what it runs at. And then open up Task Manager. See process. And here it's running. Doesn't really run much on it. So here's it running. Tesla your GPU speed, VRAM speed, everything's running, and then we'll take a look at the difference. It's not even much. It's only like 7% difference when you overclock it. What I do recommend is getting dual RAM memory sticks. Like, it helps so much more. Okay. There it is for non-overclocked, and let's see for overclocked. So when you overclock it, global, okay, custom, disable, undisable it. And this one, as remember, it was 920, so, whoops, sorry. You raise it to this, it'll show you 920. Voila. Okay, and then for VRAM, slow down, enable it, and then you could enable it, and this is at the highest setting, 960 maxed out. So 1860. So 1860 it is. Apply changes. As you can see, before was the score for that one. I'm not really sure on Geekbench and how it works, so let's check running it again. Yeah, so if you get another dual memory stick, that's 8, but you have to almost get the same, or I don't even know how the timings work. You'll get around 8% more, and voila, see? And then by overclocking it, you get another 8% more in graphics. So yeah, that's around 16%. So yeah, link in the description below if you want, and this is how you overclock your GPU. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try and look into how to overclock the processor later, CPU, if needed. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.